Hi everyone, this is Thomas Up from the product management team here at Qlik, and today I'm talking about a new space role that's called Can Operate, and this really allows you to set up your security in a more fine-grained way about who can schedule and reload content in your spaces, right? So there's a few slides here today, and then I'm having a demo as usual. So let's have a look into the slides here first, right? So what does the user need to have today to schedule and manage reloads, right? So they need to have can manage in space roles to be able to do that, right? And what is that, or what a user can do with a role can manage here? So they can invite people to spaces, they can change space names, they can delete users, change permissions and all the, of course, scheduling stuff. But this is really too much, right? So this is especially on the inviting people and changing permissions, this is too much. So now we have changed this here and we have released the Can Operate role in spaces. And Can Operate is only for managed spaces here. So that's important to remember. So what does the user need to have now to schedule and manage reloads? They only need Can Operate as the space role. And what a user can do with the Can Operate space role for managed spaces, they can only create, update, and schedule reload tasks. They can only run reloads. They can still create nodes with snapshots. They can open an app, but not more than that. They can download PDF and images, and they have CRUD on data because they obviously need this, because when they reload data, they need to write data and they need to read data as well, right? So that's what it is. So, but let's have a look into the demo and how it looks like. So let me switch over into my demo environment. On the left-hand side, I'm the space owner in a space called THP Managed Space. On the right-hand side, I'm a user. As you can see it here, when I hover over, I have only Can Operate in the role, and on the left, when I hover over this info icon here, I have the owner permission for the space. And here I can show you that when I go to members, I have for this user that I'm logged in with on the right-hand side, I have only assigned Can Operate, and I can show you this here when I say add members, for instance. You have it here available. So the last one here is called Can Operate, and this only gives you, those capabilities like I just showed you that in the slide deck. And the most important one is really that you allow people to schedule and, so to speak, update, delete, manage schedules, and reloading apps manually as well from the hub. So if I do this now here as a user, so again, I have Can Operate in my space, and I can use this kind of my demo version. I still have this option here to reload now, to set up a reload schedule. So just to show you that's what I can do. But it's important when I go in space details, I no longer have these options here as this other user has it. When I go back on the left, space details, this user obviously as the owner and as someone that would have Can Manage, they can rename, but this is what this user on the right with Can Operate does no longer have. So this concludes the demo of the new Can Operate space role, which allows you to set up more finer grained control here on who can reload content in your spaces. Hope that was useful, and thanks for listening. Bye for now.